I gotta stop the music. Ding.
Every day plays the same mix over and over.
SMG picked it. I had
you are
no
playing.
control. I can't sing, you can't sing, but we can answer some stuff and joke around. So that's what we're gonna do.
Absolutely.
All right.
Okay, all right. You're gonna learn today.
What is this? Why are we still listening?
Brad
There
doesn't
we
know
go.
what that is, you know.
What?
All right.
I don't know. What does that mean?
You're gonna learn today.
Uh-oh. That means the belt's coming out?
No.
It's Kevin Hart.
Yep.
Oh, I thought that means like the belt is coming out and I'm gonna get. I don't
You
know.
are
You're
going
gonna
to learn today.
No, I never saw Kevin Hart.
All right, folks, 7
right.
minutes after 12 o'clock, it's time for the Brad and Squeeze show. Brad is here, the attorney. I am here, Squeeze. We got Little Nicky, we got SMG, and of course, that's the social media team. So once again, give us a call right now. The number is 1-800-529-5465 with your immigration questions. I'm jumping right into it. 1-800-529-5465. If you forget, just punch out the digits on your smartphone, 1-800-529-5465. You can catch me, David Squeeze Annakie, on Facebook, at David Squeeze Annakie. And also, of course, at Spar Bernstein, you can catch him on YouTube, Spar and Bernstein.
Okay, and I just want to say this because we are completely not on the same page here. Has Squeeze and I ever been on the same page? Are we even in the same novel?
Never.
Even in the same encyclopedia?
Never.
So, against my better judgment, because I'm a cold turkey guy, SMG said we should go live for 5 minutes on Facebook. Okay, do you have a time watch?
Facebook times it.
Facebook times it. We're going to be live on Facebook for 5 minutes. I just want to tell people we are going to be ending.
Do whatever you want to do.
I am going to do what I want to do. Thank you. And we are going.
I'm just saying.
I know you're just saying. We are going to be ending Facebook broadcasts, but SMG wanted me to go live on Facebook and tell this. So we are going to be ending our Facebook broadcast, not because I don't love you. We want everyone to watch on YouTube. Why? Because it's just easier from a production point of view that we have one.
So you're doing it more for a production and not your viewers and listeners.
I am doing it for everybody. I am doing it for everybody. So there is a method to my madness.
Mark my word, after careful and insightful.
You keep your thoughts to yourself. I've had it morning already.
Really now?
Yes.
All right.
I have now told Squeeze to keep his thoughts to himself as far as Facebook is concerned.
Did you just say I should go F myself? No problem.
Thoughts to yourself. You've made no. I just said keep it very clear.
I'll go get a Vaseline.
So we are going to be ending. Okay, we are going to be. I know, Tanette. You'd rather have Facebook Live.
Look,
angry face. Look at all those.
Let me just put it this clear.
Yeah.
I did some deep research with serious professionals like myself, marketers, and I have found out that the new wave of going live is genuinely Facebook. They do a whole lot more than YouTube. And by going YouTube, you're going a step back. As a matter of fact, I initially suggested, but now, in hindsight, I'm just saying, the new wave, that's like having an old car and have a new car. That's like the Tesla versus the Mercedes. The Tesla is still up there, although the Mercedes is a fine, well-oiled machine. The Tesla is still a much overall better product.
By the way, you can comment on YouTube.
You can do that.
You can go on YouTube and
but you don't get notifications.
If you
it doesn't get shared. It doesn't get shared as much as.
That's not true. Not true.
Dude, this is not even something that is even up for discussion.
It is. YouTube. You can make. Look, Carol Anderson just made a comment. Hi, Kyle. Afternoon to you as well. You're doing great. And so you can make comments on YouTube.
Of course you can.
I know you can. And you can subscribe on YouTube.
Of course you can.
And you can get notification every time that
Which is an easier platform, Brad, and which is a more friendlier platform.
I find YouTube is.
No. YouTube is not a... Come on, dudes. Don't lie. Come on. At least be straight with him. Tell me I'm an ass, but come on. Don't lie. Come on. Facebook is a lot more friendly.
No, there's no vote. Tanet wants to have a vote on YouTube.
You're
or
gonna lose.
Facebook.
You're gonna lose.
No, there's only one vote. This is a monarchy.
But we love opinions.
We love opinions.
Light up the comments.
But
Look,
this
guys,
but
I
this
can
is-
bet
this is a
everybody in this room
monarchy.
$1,000. It's all gonna come back to Facebook
Yes.
Live.
You can share.
I can bet that.
Yes. And you want to know what? Everybody on YouTube.
It's so
says-
easy to just
and
share a video.
and-
It's so, you got to go past a link. Guess what? Zuckerberg is not promoting your link.
Yes.
He's promoting videos because videos are promoted quicker than links.
I'm a survivor. You can post your questions on YouTube. You can get notifications. You just have to subscribe to YouTube.
Wow, you got to tell them all of that.
Yes.
On Facebook now, it's just so easy. Sometimes it's even shared for you. You can
Everyone
share.
can
by
comment
the
on
way,
YouTube.
you think everyone out there on Facebook is going to go, I'm going to go share this YouTube link on everybody's timeline.
Everyone can
They're not going to do it.
They will do it.
They're not going to share it.
will do it.
No.
Let's post the link and see who shares.
They're going to be like,
Look,
because you want to know,
look.
when they're sharing a link. They're not even seeing the video.
Watch this. I am just posted now this live link to my Facebook page.
That's you.
I just did it.
All right.
I just did it.
Let me ask you something. Social media is Facebook is one big, powerful platform with millions of people where people are sharing viewpoints and everything. So when you post something, people see it immediately and all of that. What is YouTube? YouTube is only one thing. That's all
We're
it
not
is.
making it difficult. We're making it easy. Everybody's going
It's
to watch
not-
on one platform.
Yeah, but you want to be on the
I think YouTube's the
most powerful platform.
most powerful platform.
It's not the most powerful.
Don't yell at me.
What Kool-Aid are you drinking?
What Kool-Aid? Why are you yelling at me?
No, what Nikes are you wearing?
What are you talking about?
What you talking about, Willis?
Listen, I have to put on the Nikes. I have drank the Kool-Aid.
You can't win this one, Brad.
I will win it.
No, you can't.
I will.
You cannot
Watch
win.
me.
Knock yourself out.
Watch me. All right, so for everybody out there, SMG.
If you want to find me, you'll find me on David Squeeze Annakie. I'm going to fix my thing so that Brad's in the picture because that's the only thing I got to do. Hold on. 1 second.
Right.
Excuse him while he fixes his thing.
Where are you going? Are you going to go fix the radiator? What are you doing? What's wrong with you?
He's just getting more.
I want to get you in the picture on my thing.
I am in the picture.
Not on my thing.
Ah, you're on your thing.
No, whoa. You're not on my thing. All right, let's clear that up.
Oh,
Yes.
Uh-oh.
I'm a survivor
Uh-oh.
says, give him a chance, Squeeze, and when it doesn't work, he'll learn.
And who's the attorney and who's the marketer? But no one listens. It's my job to do the research.
I've done research too.
Okay.
All right.
Let me just make sure
All
that
right.
this
And
works.
I'm getting personal messages that it's not fun to watch where we should be broadcasting.
Of course, you're gonna get that. You always get that. Yeah. Let's just.
All
go
right.
over
So this is what you can do. Okay? This is what you can do. If you want to watch Facebook, by all means watch Facebook. Squeeze will be broadcasting on Facebook.
Yeah,
Okay.
let's share Squeeze's page.
Share Squeeze's page, and he's broadcasting on Facebook.
And share it on Brad's page.
If you want to watch YouTube, which is where we will ultimately be broadcasting, you can watch YouTube and share that.
See,
And share that.
people are
as well.
saying, I'm not going to watch and share anymore because it's not Facebook. People are rebelling already.
rebelling.
I hate YouTube. It's not as friendly. You can't interact with your friends. If you're watching YouTube, at least on Facebook, you can do so much. But nobody listens to me. I'll tell you what. Let's do it your way. I'll do it my way. By the way, folks, if you can actually hear and see Brad on my Facebook page, please acknowledge. All right?
So can you give? So this is the choices. You can watch David Squeeze Annakie on his Facebook page, and by all means, you can do that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Or you can go to YouTube, and you can give that as well.
Yeah, about
Okay.
that.
And now let's take immigration.
I'm going to ask everybody to please share my page, David Squeeze Annakie on Facebook. All right. And we are ready for immigration questions. The number is 1-800-529-5465. I will be asking Brad the immigration questions in between on my page. All right. 1-800-529-5465. Little Nikki's like, I'm just shutting the hell up. Last time I opened my mouth,
I got put in the doghouse.
I wonder by whom. Don't worry. You ever hear about a 3-year doghouse?
I've never heard that.
Two
I
idiots
feel
did
like
that.
that was an insider.
All right, so 1-800-529-5465, 1-800-529-5465.
By the way, Christina Harvey says Squeeze, and she's on YouTube. And she goes, Squeeze, no one ever listens to you.
No one listens to me.
Brad is going to learn the hard way.
Nobody listens to me.
Yeah.
But that's okay.
So am I ending it?
No, we'll just keep Facebook for the show.
Brad,
Okay.
go back to your bed, hun.
Okay.
Brad, go back to your bed, hun. Your brain was not up with you this morning. Nonsense you're talking.
That's not nice.
Well, she said hun, so she meant it in a nice way.
You can't say huh. Oh.
Oh, man. See that? Vakisha, he threw the pen at you.
That's right.
He threw the pen at you, darling.
That didn't hurt her. That just hurt Squeeze's screen.
Well, you know.
Don't worry. I have somebody's American Express. As a matter of fact, I want to wait for the new one. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, at the end of the day, one of the greatest things is this. You're all still going to see Brad and Squeeze, no matter where you go. All right? I'm quite sure that we will come to some kind of a conclusion sooner or later. But right now, you can still get your immigration questions answered. We're asking everybody to share on whatever platform you are on. All right? I do believe that Facebook is a little bit more viral. Brad begs to differ. And right now, we're seeing a different direction. Nothing wrong with that. That's the reason why this country is great. And we're not trying to make it great again. It's great because of this. If we didn't have this,
disagree.
Exactly.
Without executing one of us.
Exactly.
Right. Nobody's coming in to execute
Put
us.
away your gun, man.
Because
Yes.
we're disagreeing.
Exactly.
Right?
No.
Right.
Yeah.
Although one of us will get the firing squad.
One will.
One is going to learn.
Deidre said,
their
I can see
lesson.
both you guys are hilarious. Love you.
One is going to learn their lesson.
You know, I have a funny feeling something good is going to come out of this tug-of-war thing.
I have no idea. All right?
But anyway.
This is like East Coast, West Coast. Google,
Yeah.
Facebook.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, Biggie, Tupac.
Biggie Tupac.
Yeah.
This is
Yikes. Without the violence.
this is clean.
I'm Suge Knight right now.
No.
I'm just messing.
Well, then,
Yeah.
unfortunately, you will be going to jail soon.
1-800-529-5465. We're ready with your immigration questions. And once again, folks, got to say much respect to all the people watching from Jamaica, watching from Russia, watching from Colombia, watching from the West Indies, watching from all over the world. Yes, we can answer any and all U.S. immigration questions. Brad Bernstein happens to be a good attorney. We are located here in Manhattan at 225 Broadway on the 5th floor. The number to call is 1-800-529-5465.
What is Brad needs to stop skipping leg day? What does that even mean?
Oh, that's the video you post in the gym with those skinny legs.
Oh!
That must be the guy who likes her legs.
The same guy.
That is the same guy.
It is the same guy.
It is the same guy. I'm skinny
Guy,
legs.
look, the guy said nice legs. That's his way of saying your legs are skinny.
Skinny, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, you know what? I've had 7 knee operations.
You always find some excuse, man.
It's not an excuse. It's reality.
Mhm.
It's truth.
But yeah,
Skinny leg day. Brad has to stop skipping
Yeah.
leg day.
sure, Brad.
More calf races.
Well, my calves are strong. It's my thighs, since I have a torn ligament in my knee right now.
But why does it everybody just do the upper body? Nobody does
Those
the
are
lower.
the sexy muscles.
Yeah, but then you put on shorts,
And then I look
You
like
look
a
like-
chicken. I look like a fat chicken, right? You know, like that chicken. He's big fat stomach and skinny little legs.
There you go.
Foghorn Leghorn.
Foghorn Leghorn.
Anyway, folks, I need some help sharing. Seeing that Freddie took the day off.
All right, so we will stay live on Facebook today, but moving forward, you can watch me and Squeeze on
It's not
YouTube.
5 minutes?
No, I'm not that rude. But from that, I just wanted to say my farewell to Facebook. All right, and then we will go.
That argument is
be
going
on
to change.
YouTube tomorrow. You can be on Squeeze's Facebook. He's not getting off of Facebook. There you have
Correct.
it. There you have it.
I do not want to disappoint my 150,000 fans.
Sorry.
You know, I can't be that rude to them.
But you can go to YouTube, and you can subscribe, and you can comment and everything else.
1-800-529-5465.
Wow,
Okay.
I haven't gotten this many angry faces since I said Donald Trump.
Exactly. You're going to get more angry faces than anything else because people love you on Facebook. This is where it all started. That's like finding a new girlfriend and you just dump the
I'm not dumping the girlfriend. I'm just.
Oh, you're taking another girl?
No.
Come on.
I'm moving apartments and everyone's all upset.
No, that's not nice.
No, I'm just moving apartments.
Let me just say this much.
Okay, I'm moving from one building to another building, and everyone.
And you left the old girlfriend in the old building.
When I'm not single,
the neighbors are all upset.
When I'm not single, I see a million people. But when I find that one girl, everybody gets cut off. Everybody gets cut off.
Sure.
All I'm doing.
Seriously, I'm very serious.
That's what they all say.
I am not going anywhere. I am still dating.
That's what he said.
I am still dating the same girl.
But you're still seeing others.
No, I'm just.
You're testing the waters with others.
No,
You're trying to see if the grass is green on the other side.
I'm just moving.
Okay. You're trying to find out if it's different.
I'm packing my bags and I'm moving to another apartment. With all of my girlfriends.
With all my girlfriends.
All of them.
That's exactly what you're doing, and you're going to get dumped. You're going to get dumped. 1-800-529-5465. Once again, we're about to get to your questions in under 30 seconds. So ask your questions on social media. You can ask it on my page, David Squeeze Annakie. Don't know where Brad is these days. I think it's still on Facebook, but more so on YouTube. But, ladies and gentlemen, let's just get it cracking.
You can ask your questions, and you can comment on YouTube, okay? I mean, we already have about 20 comments on YouTube already.
That's beautiful.
All right?
It's a beautiful thing. I even have Brad in my picture now, so you can all see Brad and Squeeze, all right, in the picture, all right? He's not a bad-looking guy, all right?
Not a bad-looking guy.
You're not a bad-looking guy, you know.
Okay, looking. Some people think I'm better looking than you.
If I were a girl, I wouldn't go out with you, though.
I wouldn't want you to go out with me.
I'm just saying.
The
things that come out of people's mouths.
If you were a girl and I went out with you, it would be a very short-lived relationship.
I can see.
Yes.
I can see.
Yes.
Yeah. Little Nikki, any comments?
None, actually.
Not today.
Not today.
Okay. All right.
This is weird.
It's awkward.
It's a very Bruce into Caitlyn transition that we're having right now. We want everyone to call us Caitlyn, but everyone's on Facebook calling us Bruce.
Wow, that was
very
That's a bad analogy.
Very bad analogy.
Accurate analogy.
That is terrible analogy.
Accurate.
That's accurate.
Terrible.
We just want to be Caitlyn on YouTube. That's it.
Kyle.
Oh, bad. But anyway, can we get some immigration questions answered right here, ladies and gentlemen?
Latoya says, I hate you too. Brad's getting the firing squad.
I'm telling you, nobody listens to me.
All right, let's go to Denisha.
Denisha, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine.
Facebook or YouTube?
Facebook.
Thank you. All right, 1-800-529-5465. Ask your question. All right, go ahead.
Question is about immigration.
Mm-hmm.
I want to get my citizenship
Uh-huh.
in, but I applied before.
Right. What happened?
Got turned down.
You pulled a squeeze. All right, go on.
So they said to wait 2 years to reapply.
Why 2 years?
Mm-hmm. She pulled a squeeze.
Never asked.
Why do you think you got turned down?
Squeeze.
Is this like the Caitlyn version of Squeeze? This was Squeeze's case. Squeeze is like, I don't know, I got turned down. They told me to reapply.
Yeah, and I'm like,
I go, why? He goes, I didn't ask.
Exactly, I told you. That's what I did.
Why do you think you got turned down?
It was some legal issue.
A what issue?
Legal issue.
What do you want to share that legal issue? Or you would just like to make an appointment to come see me?
Make an appointment to come see you.
All right, hold on.
That's a good idea. All right. Thank you so much for calling, by the way. 1-800-529-5465. We're doing a Brad and Squeeze show. I must, sometimes we tend to forget where we started and where we're coming from. But I must say thanks to all the people who have made us what it is that we truly are. Yes, definitely the clients. Yes, definitely the fan base. Yes, definitely the people who work with us right here and out there. Without you, we would not be what it is. This show has really grown exponentially in leaps and bounds, and we're still trying to find our groove with certain things. But thank you so much for being with us and not leaving you. And I'm not dumping you. I'm staying with you. All right? Can you go Brad, next call. 1-800-529-5465.
See, look, I just posted the Facebook feed on the Spar and Bernstein. I mean, the YouTube feed on the Spar and Bernstein Facebook page. So
nice.
people would still be able to watch it on Facebook, presumably now, no?
That's very nice.
Right. But they have
Correct.
to click it.
They have to click it.
Yeah, it's not
That's
going to be
the
the
difference.
video.
It's not going to be the. You got to click.
That's the difference.
It's way too much work.
It's
Wait,
a lot
in
of
this day and
work.
age, with the millennials,
That is a
way
lot
too
of
much
work.
work.
I'm a Manila.
You're-
How do you say that?
Millennial.
Millennial.
You're Manila?
I'm a Manila.
I am from Generation X.
You're from Generation
That's
X.
what they claim. Generation Y are the kids who grew up in the 90s. Generation
I'm Y.
X is the people who grew up in the 80s, and the millennials are
Baby boomers are,
baby boomers are the
both.
60s and 70s.
yep, 1945.
What?
We're both.
Yeah, to like 19.
Yeah,
65.
I'm just saying I'm Y
Something
as
like
well.
that.
Yeah.
But then the kids who grew up in the 80s were like teenagers in the 80s are Generation X.
Yeah.
The kids who were teenagers in the 90s are Generation Y, I guess for Y2K. And the kids who are grow up as teenagers in the 2000s are millennials.
So we're not Y then. Well, I'm
you're,
not Y.
You're a millennial.
I'm a millennial. I can't
And-
say that.
And strong
You're
male,
millennial.
Strong male
Genius.
genius over here.
What?
SFG, strong,
Watch out, Kyle.
strong male
He's been
genius.
using those terms.
Way
you
too
need to
much.
switch seats, man.
Is also a millennial.
By the way, folks, once again, this is a show about answering immigration questions. The number is 1-800-529-5465. All right, 1-800-529-5465. Brad, let's go to that call and then we'll come to a couple of questions quickly
Sure.
on social media.
Sophie.
Hi.
Hi,
How are
Sophie.
you?
How are you? Facebook or YouTube?
Facebook.
Okay,
Thank
go ahead.
you.
You may ask a question of Brad.
Yes, but all the YouTube people say they're into YouTube.
She's just a caller. So, yeah.
Sophie, yes.
Okay. I'm married to an American citizen, and when I got married, I filed for my two daughters. One was just turning. When I got married, one was 16 and one was 14. But I put in the papers 2 years after, so one was about to turn 18 and one was turning 16. Now I filed for both of them. I got one like 4 years ago, but I haven't got my my older daughter. She turning 24 this year, and the paper has been approved, and they're waiting for visa.
Are
all
you a
these years.
citizen or a resident?
No, I'm not a citizen.
You're
I'm
a
a
res-
permanent resident.
And when did you file? When did
my
you?
husband.
When did you file?
From 2011. From 2011.
Okay, from 2011, and you were the one who put in the papers for your daughter.
No, it was my husband,
And
my
he-
American citizen husband.
And he still wants to finish the case.
Yes.
And he put it. Your daughter should have been here years ago. What's going on?
Sounds like
I
that.
don't know. Every time we call the immigration, they tell us that it's still in process.
No.
Something's up.
No. Something's up. Your husband filed for your daughter before she was 21. She's it's Child Citizenship Act. She stays under 21 for life. She should have been here years and years and years ago. Come see me with your paperwork.
Yeah, you seriously need to come and see Brad.
I live in the south.
You live in the south. I live in the north.
It doesn't matter.
But in the south and the north, they have something called a telephone. We can do a phone consultation.
An
So
email.
what do I do?
You call us.
No,
on
you
the
stay on the
telephone.
line.
Hold on one
Stay on the line and we'll set that up for you.
Stay on the line, and we will set that up for you.
Sounds like you repeated what
I have repeated everything Squeeze says.
Which he does with everything.
Which I do every time. Whatever Squeeze says, I just repeat it. 1-800-529.
Sure you do.
Sure I do. 1-800-529.
Sure you're not.
Sure I don't. Yeah, whatever.
Who said that?
Who said that? 1-800-529.
Eddie Murphy. Sure you're not.
Eddie Murphy, yeah.
You remember that, right?
No, I'm just repeating. Whatever you say, I'm just repeating it.
That was about getting a disease.
Yeah, exactly. You remember that, right?
What movie was that?
Delirious.
Oh, that was. That
Went to
wasn't
the
the
doctor,
one-
doctor
that-
checked him out. Mr. But I'm not a... Sure you're not.
Was that the one? That's not the one when he's in the leather suit.
They're all in leather suits.
Everyone.
The red. This one's the red.
This is
leather.
the red leather suit.
Yeah.
This is the one when he goes. When he married the woman from Africa, and she goes,
That's raw.
Eddie, I want half.
No, that's
I want
purple.
half, Eddie.
That's purple.
Oh, that's purple suit.
That's raw. We're talking
That's
delirious.
raw, delirious.
This is going right over my head.
Yes, because you're a millennial.
I'm too young.
You are a millennial.
I'm sorry.
Let's go to
This is
Ahmed.
the way it is because it is.
Ahmed.
Yeah,
Ahmed,
hello,
hi.
how you doing?
You are live on YouTube.
Yeah.
Hey,
How are
Ahmed,
you?
it's good to hear from you, man. Facebook or YouTube? Which one?
No, I'm Facebook.
Thank you.
Yes.
So far,
So far,
Facebook 3,
so far, everybody Facebook.
YouTube 0.
But we're still going to YouTube. We're going to plow
Knock yourself
through.
out, man.
Yes.
Let me get a baseball bat.
Okay, I have a question. I was detained on Elizabeth Detention Center for 1 month. Then I got bailed. Then my wife got me out. Then I was in removal proceeding. Then I got termination on 2016. And I have I-130 approval and I-485. Hello?
Oh, we're hearing.
Hello?
Go on. We're listening.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm waiting for you to get to your question.
Okay. And I have I-485 pending from 2014.
You're married.
And and I got the termination of my removal proceeding on 2016. And until now, there is any action on my green card. So
Okay.
what should I do now?
Go see a lawyer that can give you some action, I guess. I don't know. I mean, you're telling me you were in deportation, you filed an adjustment, there's no action for 2 years. It's hard for me to figure out what the problem is, but I can tell you, I'm pretty smart. That's a problem. How are we going to fix that problem? You know what I need to do first? I need to look at all of your records and see where the train fell off the tracks. I'm not sure, based on what you told me, where the train fell off the tracks. But I can tell you I'm very good at putting the train back on the tracks and getting it going. I don't have an answer for you until I look at your records, though.
In other
What
words,
happened? All right, hold on one second.
I'm gonna make an appointment then.
just hold the line.
Hold the
Ahmed.
line. Hold the line, and you can make the appointment.
In the interim, at 27 minutes before the hour of 1, we would like to welcome our criminal defense attorney, a very powerful, in my opinion, individual, and a good attorney here at the law office of Spar and Bernstein. If you ever get arrested, I say to you, do not see any, this is my saying this, nobody can tell me what to say. Do not see any other attorney. I will only vouch for this one right here, the criminal defense attorney, Paul Hirsch or David Marina or Hudnut. Those guys, that's a dream team
Jacob.
right there, in my opinion.
Jake. We
Jake.
like to go by Jake.
I like
Jake?
to go by Jacob.
It's a tough criminal defense attorney name.
Very
Jake.
tough.
I like
And-
Jacob.
And now,
Yeah,
now we
that's
handle
his
New
name.
Jersey.
I like to call him by this guy's name. His name is Jacob.
He likes
so-
Jake, though. He likes Jake. That's his.
but
He
that's,
doesn't want to be
that's
called
not
Hudnut?
his name. His name is Jacob. So that's what
Say
we
it's not
call him.
Hudnut?
But you call me Nikki.
Yeah,
and
and we
Nicolette.
call you Brad.
We call
Ford.
you Brad.
You should start calling me Bradford.
I would love Bradford.
Bradford.
I want
Call
to
me
use Bradford.
Bradford from now on.
From now, that's
right.
it.
And all right.
Careful what you wish for.
On YouTube, I'm Bradford.
All right.
So what's up, Mr. Criminal Defense Attorney?
What's
Just to get a
up?
quick one from you.
We're working hard. Dave's running around up in Westchester today. Now visiting a client in the Tombs.
That's a tough
nice
area, though,
name
that
for
county.
a place to be held. The Tombs, right?
Tombs.
Sounds like a fun place.
Well, it sounds
Not
pretty
good.
bad.
It's not great.
Right. It sounds like death row when you're on the Tombs.
I think they built the city around
Suge
it.
Knight.
It's been here forever.
Death Row
Knight.
Records.
Yeah, it's not good.
All right. So what's going on in criminal defense, Mr. Hirsch?
So, what's going on?
Anybody arrested
we got
lately?
an excellent plea yesterday on a gun case. Guns and drugs found in a guy's apartment. Pretty much dead to rights.
Why
And,
were guns and drugs found in his apartment? How'd the police walk into this man's apartment?
It appears that not only was he using the drugs himself, but he may have been providing them to others.
He was in. The,
Wow.
He was
in the dispensing
he was
business.
a pharmacist.
He was a pharmacist without a degree.
A pharmacist
Yes,
without a degree.
because they were pills.
Right.
They were not.
They call it street pharmacy.
street pharmacy.
Right.
So,
well, allegedly.
and one of
Allegedly, right. I was about to say.
And we don't condone
No,
that
of course not.
in all jokes.
Absolutely not.
Of course not. Of course not.
But in this country, Brad, we do have rights.
You do have rights.
Correct.
And just
That's
because
the
they
reason.
And what was this guy's rights? Why were his rights violated? That that had the police not violated his rights, perhaps he would be found guilty, and maybe
well,
rightfully
he
so.
we did,
found guilty. I don't know, or not.
We did take a plea, so he did admit his involvement here. However, we were able to convince the district attorney's office that his involvement was much more limited than originally thought, and the items found in his place is not necessarily only his, and we're able to convince them to offer a probationary plea instead of jail time, when most cases in which a gun is found on you, in your house, along with drugs, you're going to jail.
Now, how are you,
an excellent
Paul
outcome.
Hirsch, the criminal defense attorney, a good one? How are you able to do this, man?
How are you able?
How are you able?
Well, I think Brad.
I just repeat everything Squeeze says today. By the way, he keeps going to me. He goes,
That's today?
Yeah, today's day. And so Squeeze goes, why do you keep repeating everything? I don't know. Every time he asks,
watch this. Watch him repeat
Watch
this.
this. Watch
is
this.
very good.
Watch this one.
I am going to stay on Facebook.
No, I can't do that. But all day today, Squeeze goes, why do you keep repeating everything? And every time he says it, it just makes me want to repeat it more, you know?
Sure, that's the day.
But seriously, why are you so good at this?
I don't know. And
Why
Brad
you?
got a little taste of it yesterday.
Yes.
I am a pain in the tuchus. Can I say tuchus
Yes.
on the
Yes.
air? Okay. So I am a bit of a pain in the tuchus. Always have been.
And Paul said this. You were here with us
I
when
was.
he said that.
I was.
Paul, all right. And Paul came to me because he wanted a change in the way that the office was run.
Our criminal defense
Right.
attorney said
And
that.
so he came in, and I felt very strongly that there shouldn't be a change.
Because you're not a strong, manly guy.
Right. He felt very strongly there should be. And then I said, absolutely not.
Right.
No way. We had a whole, we were butting heads.
We were.
And he was not letting go.
No.
Okay. Then Lenny, you know Lenny, right?
Yes, I do know Lenny.
The voice
Wonderful
of
lady.
reason.
The voice
this time.
of reason. Lenny comes in, and I said, Lenny, the nerve, Paul Hirsch,
Our criminal defense
our
attorney.
criminal defense attorney, wants to turn this place upside down. Lenny goes, well, you know, maybe he has a point there.
That's
So
the reason why he's a
then-
criminal defense attorney.
So then, at that point, I started listening to him.
Yes.
But then I said, okay, well, think about it.
Yes.
And he kept going at me anyway.
He gave me what I wanted, and
He's an
I
attorney.
wanted more.
And he kept going at I said,
See, he
but-
didn't give me everything. That's the problem.
Right. And I said, but Paul, you just won. He goes, no, I didn't win completely. And he just keeps going and going and going.
See, the second part is for
Right.
future negotiations.
Yes,
so
so-
Brad knows that
so
even if
I-
he gives a little, I'm not going to be done.
I
so.
have a
Are you a
learned-
second generation attorney?
My grandfather was an attorney, actually.
Okay.
My father was no real education. I mean, graduated high school, but
Okay.
that was
Well,
about
Paul
it.
and I, similar experience. My grandfather
Yes.
was an attorney. My father was educated, but not an attorney.
Yeah. Ran his own business and stuff.
My
Smart
father
man.
ran his business. Smart man.
Okay, cool.
And that's why when we have a difference of opinion, it can escalate a little bit. And it almost got there
Gotcha.
yesterday. We were glad Lenny was around.
Now, on a serious note, based on posts that I've seen on Facebook, I've never seen it on YouTube, people are saying wonderful and good things about you and how well you defend them and fight for them. You know, so
I think it's important. I think it's
really
one of
like
those
that.
rights that when you're accused of a crime and the government is coming after you, it can be very difficult to protect you and what you have and that's why sometimes it takes some real screaming and yelling to get.
Well, let
Why
me
don't you
yell
why
and
don't you
scream.
scream out the telephone
Yeah,
number?
let me
There we
scream.
go.
And by the way, folks, I tell you what, I'll make a deal with you all. I will give this my best fight to make Brad stay primarily on Facebook if everybody saves the phone number. I'll give it my best fight. Okay? I'm going to be like an attorney in that sense.
That's because then Squeeze is going to say, see, Facebook works.
So if everybody out there that is listening, if you're on a social media platform, wherever you are, you're out there in your car, in your homes, you're working, you're not working, okay? I need for you to dial this number, which is the number for the law offices of Spar and Bernstein. It is the number for Paul Hirsch, your criminal defense attorney, okay? And you're going to let it ring for 10 seconds, and then you're going to save it. The number is 1-800-529-5465. That is 1-800-529-5465. So wherever you are, whatever you're doing, dial the number, save the number for a good criminal defense attorney at the law offices of Spar and Bernstein. You never know if and when you are going to be arrested. You never know. You could be standing on the street corner, cuffs on you. You could be in a car, cuffs on you. Could be in your house, cuffs on you. Could be walking down the road, cuffs on you. You never know when someone is going to accuse you unfairly, cuffs on you. 1-800-529-5465. Come on, people. Help me to keep Facebook alive. 1-800-529-5465. This is Squeeze fighting for you. Just like Paul Hirsch would fight for you. God forbid you get caught with some weed, some guns. You got into a fight. Okay, someone accused you unfairly, like I said before. 1-800-529-5465. That's only 3 people? Is that 4?
All right,
four?
let's see this.
Hold on.
Two people.
1-800.
You two people. Wait.
You can't say you two people
I
call
can't say you
because
two
I already
people
said
now.
Facebook
No,
people call,
no,
so
Facebook
we don't want to
people
mix them
now.
up.
You two people now should start calling and saying you two people
1-800-529-5465. No. Watch the lines.
Watch the YouTube people calling now.
1-800-529-5465.
The YouTube people are
Phone
all
lines are
calling.
blowing up. 1-800-529-5465. Make the call. People, even if you know of someone that has a case right now and do not have a private attorney, call. Get a consultation. All right? Is a consultation free?
It certainly is.
Hold on. The criminal defense attorney, Paul Hirsch, just said the consultation is free, Brad. Is that true?
True.
So if you're locked up right now, because I got a lot of people who listen to me on Rikers and Sing Sing, okay? They listen to Squeeze, all right? I grew up with a lot of them. Yo, Squeeze, help me out. Well, Paul Hirsch is the man. 1-800-529-5465. Sometimes we do stupid things and we have run-ins with the law. Sometimes we're not doing stupid things and we have run-ins with the law. Phone lines have been blowing up. 1-800-529-5465. But guess what? You must dial. You've got to let it ring for 10, 15 seconds. And you got to say, I'm calling to save the criminal defense attorney's number. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. Can you tell Fiona to tell us how much we're up to? Because she doesn't listen to me anymore.
No, she says more YouTube than Facebook.
Oh, right. Whatever. 1-800-529-5465.
By the way, Latoya, screw YouTube. Gosh.
Someone said that, right?
Gosh.
Okay. Man, I'm telling you, you're going to lose this one, man.
Well,
Can I push from MySpace?
No.
No,
We've gone through that one already.
Yeah. 1-800-529-5465. And once again, I want to say thanks to you, Paul, for helping out a lot of people, man. And a lot of people have called me, and I've put them on to Paul, and they're very happy. I have yet to have one disgruntled person. Yet to have one disgruntled person.
By the way, tomorrow, I'm serious though, tomorrow on Facebook, you can watch David Squeeze Annakie, and you should give your Facebook page for people who
David
love
Squeeze
Facebook.
Annakie is the name of the page.
Okay, go to David Squeeze Annakie. If you want to watch YouTube, you're going to watch it on Law Offices of Spar and Bernstein, soon to be called the Brad and Squeeze Show.
And there's nothing wrong to have a little bit of a diversity.
Right.
Right?
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
So, Facebook lovers, love me.
Love Squeeze.
All right? YouTube lovers,
Love.
you like our cake?
Right.
Go with that.
That's right.
All right?
Some people, like I had Fudgy the Whale, Carvel.
Nice.
Okay, there was some Oreo ice cream and there was chocolate. Some people liked the Oreo, some people liked the chocolate. But everyone loved the cake. You're seeing the same show. You're eating the same cake. You're seeing the same show.
And those of you who love 93.5,
What?
stick with that.
That's a real thing, Fudgy the Whale.
Oh, yeah.
It's-
You don't
it's
know
a
Fudgy
whale-
You don't know Fudgy the
it's a
Whale,
whale
dude?
of a dad
It's a
cake.
whale.
He's
of
a millennial.
dad
He
cake.
wouldn't know.
Yeah,
Whale of a dad cake.
You got to have a Fudgy the
There
Whale
used to be,
cake.
there used to be Tom Carvel when I was a kid.
Cookie Puss.
You can tell the guys who are over 40.
Tom Carvel when I was a kid. He would come on. He goes, "Tell your dad Wednesday is Sunday at Carvel,"
Yeah.
and coming on, and he would have this really deep voice. And on Sunday,
Coming to the line shortly.
it's coming on Sunday on Father's Day. Get your dad a whale of a cake because he's a whale of a dad.
I bet you any money Kyle
That's how
remembers
Tom
this.
Carvel.
I bet you any money Kyle remembers this one. Ice cream! Ice cream!
Yes.
Ice cream!
Ice cream.
You remember that one, right?
That's
I know
Eddie
that.
Murphy. That's Eddie
I
Murphy.
know that. You book
That's
it top
Eddie
speed.
All right, let's go to Margaret, and then we're going to go down the line. You're going to hang out, Paul Hirsch, criminal
Yeah,
defense
yeah, yeah.
attorney?
No, I love the. Are we up to
Oh,
the
Latoya.
the fast round?
Latoya's mad at me now.
Ooh.
She says, the second time I've heard Brad talk rubbish.
Oh,
Wow,
man.
She's not listening enough
She
if
is-
it's only the second time.
Wow, Latoya.
Let's go to Margaret, then
You
we're
know
going to
what-
go to Mohammed,
you know
then we're
what-
going to go to Monica.
And you know what's very funny is someone said to Squeeze and I.
Three
yesterday-
M's. Margaret, Mohammed, Monica.
Yeah.
We're coming at you.
Someone said, they go, True. They said, you know what's great about your show? You don't really put anybody down. We joke around, but we don't put anyone. So Simone, I really wasn't putting you down. I was actually.
I don't think. No, she's joking also.
Oh, okay. I thought what she said was.
No. She's joking.
Right, I thought what she said.
Well, she's serious about you staying with Facebook. All right, she's not putting you down.
Margaret.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Yeah, Margaret. Facebook or YouTube?
I want to be on Facebook, so I was asking you for the name that you go by on Facebook.
On Facebook, it's Law Offices of Spar and Bernstein. It is Brad Bernstein. It is David Squeeze Annakie. Any one of those three can get you on Facebook to see us live every day. On YouTube, Law Offices of Spar and Bernstein. There is no more Periscope and Twitter, I can tell you that.
We're done?
We're done.
Okay.
We are done.
Question that I would like to ask you. I would like to ask you a question.
Yes.
For the W7 fund, who is eligible for that
Anyone who doesn't have a Social Security number. If you file a tax return, you don't have a Social Security number. You file you file the W7 with your tax return. They'll give you a tax identification number to pay your taxes.
So you have to pay. Do you have to pay to get that tax?
Yes.
What? Do you have any knowledge of what you have to pay to get that?
You have to pay whatever the percentage of taxes you owe less your deductions. But I don't.
There's no additional fee for that W7.
No, I don't have. There's no additional fee for the W7. What I would suggest you do is hold the line, and you can speak with Carmela, who's our tax attorney.
Absolutely.
Who can help you with all of
She's
this.
very good.
Great.
Yes.
1-800-529-5465. 1-800-LAWLINK. Once again, you're in tune to the Brad and Squeeze Show. Remember, respectively, moving forward, you can catch me, David Squeeze Annakie, right here on Facebook, along with Brad Bernstein and other attorneys. And also, of course, on the Law Offices of Spar and Bernstein on YouTube. Okay, just look up Spar and Bernstein. All right, but seriously, we focus on giving you information as much as we put a little in and out, or in and around it. Yeah.
Carol says she loves Facebook and YouTube. She'll watch us on both because she loves us.
Nice.
Carol is she's what's the word I'm looking for her? She's trying to be she's trying to be balanced. She doesn't want to hurt anyone. She watches us everywhere.
Diplomatic.
And Tennille says Brad and Squeeze, both you guys are right. Here's another diplomat.
Ooh.
Facebook
they're
and
diplomats.
YouTube are good. The difference, though, you can't do both at the same time unless you're going to just make one take its course and respond to it later. That's the point I'm trying to make. We can't be on every platform at the same exact time. Thank you, Tennille. We just have to pick a platform.
Yes, the listener.
Maybe
we can in here.
Maybe we should have
I've been doing this for a while.
Yeah, exactly. I'm like, what is Brad talking about? What you talking about, Willis?
So what do we want to do here? Kawhi Lynn, who I don't know if should I be answering his questions after he made fun of my legs?
Yes.
I don't know.
Because you don't put anyone down.
Legs?
What?
How did he see
You should
your legs?
answer.
Because I posted a
Very good
picture
question.
of myself after working out. I do have skinny legs.
What is Brad smoking? You're gonna have to get Brad off on this one.
What is Brad smoking?
Aaron
As his
said-
attorney, I'm going to ask him not to
Am
comment
I
on that.
smoking?
do not respond to that.
I'm not smoking anything, man.
All right. So
He's on video.
Clean
You can
lungs.
see he's not smoking.
Clean lungs.
I have no receipt. UNI 360. Can I get an adjustment of status for a green card, even though I have pending I-360? Thank you so much.
Well, if you need to have some. It depends what the I-360 is for. If it's for a VAWA case based on abuse by an American citizen, yes. If it's a VAWA based on abuse by a resident, no. If it is a special juvenile immigrant, yes. If it is a religious worker, no. You have all those type of cases on the same form.
Right.
So I don't
you gotta know. You gotta know.
I got to know a little more.
Mr. Attorney, Patricia said that Brad should be smoking something. So you can advise
Calm
him
down.
accordingly.
Everybody wants me to calm down then. They say I'm too hyper. I should be
It
smoking.
depends on what they want you to smoke, I guess.
Right. Hookah?
No, I don't smoke. Well, I don't smoke out of a hookah. It's like a hookah is like a
So,
multiple.
Are you saying you smoke?
smoking? No.
Your
I don't.
attorney told you not to say anything, and you're
I-
now incriminating yourself.
No, I
let's
don't
move on.
smoke. I don't smoke.
Okay, good.
I don't smoke anything. I don't smoke cigarettes. I don't smoke anything stronger. I'm not a smoker.
Right. Just by you saying you don't smoke is good enough. But if you're going to start disclaiming, then you're
Well, I just
alluding
want-
to the
He wants to make
possibility
sure
that
it's clear.
I want to make very clear what I don't do.
I smoke nothing is clear enough.
I smoke nothing.
That's clear enough. You don't
I
have to.
drink
You don't have
tequila.
to follow up.
He smokes a brisket every once in a while on the weekend.
Yes, son. I drink tequila. I will smoke some beef on the barbecue. That's about it.
Every once in a while, you'll promote your sponsors.
I will promote my sponsors.
You know what that is?
That's USA Credit Repair. Here for you today.
Beautiful credit.
There for you tomorrow. Beautiful credit is a beautiful thing when it's brought to you by a beautiful company like this place called USA Credit Repair.
Nice.
Call 1-800-USA-7177. That's 1-800-USA-7177. If you're not sure what beautiful credit looks like, then go do a free credit check. USA Credit will give you a free credit check. Nice. All you have to do is call 1-800-USA Credit. And if your credit is above 700, they will say, sir, ma'am, your credit is beautiful. Oh. If it's below 700, they will say, sir, ma'am, your credit's not so beautiful or your credit stinks. Then they go into action.
Raise your voice a little higher.
They go into action, and then they will.
That was being sarcastic.
Okay, they go into. I was raising my voice. They go into action, and they will make your credit beautiful. They are beautiful people bringing beauty to the world by giving you beautiful credit.
Send me a friend request on YouTube.
USA Credit Repair. I will send you a.
By the way, can I see all those lovely pictures of your true success stories on YouTube right now? I'm going to go there and see if I can see them.
1-800-529. Oh, no, that's 1-800.
Can I see all the content on YouTube that you've posted over the past few years?
7177 or We Fix Bad Credit. I'm not saying I'm not going to be on Facebook.
1-800-872-7177.
I didn't say I wasn't going to be on Facebook.
You can't.
I'm going to be on Facebook.
One thing I know for sure, you can't have it all on YouTube, but you can have it all with Facebook.
I'm going to be on Facebook every day. All I'm saying is that the live show will be on YouTube. That's all.
You can have it all on one platform.
I mean, I'm not leaving Facebook.
But you can't have it all on YouTube. I've summed it up.
All right. 1-800.
Let's go to Mohammed.
1-800-Mohammed. Yes.
Sorry, our apologies on the wait, Mohammed. We really apologize for that.
I'm very sorry.
Facebook or YouTube? Which one?
YouTube, baby.
All right.
YouTube.
You got one in there.
Mohammed.
Mohammed, you the man. One in there. Go ahead.
All right.
I got a VAWA pending with the I-45 with it, and I recently got the cheese slipped out of the cracker, and I fell into a felony. And
wait! What happened?
The cheese slipped off the cracker?
What happened?
We have heard it all now.
What? The cheese?
Drinking the Kool-Aid
Did I listen properly?
You had a green card. And then you basically
off the cracker.
You made like this wheel sandwich, and there was cheese in between the two round crackers, and the cheese slips out.
Yes.
And then
left with the cracker.
And that's a felony, by the way.
It sounds like a felony.
Yeah.
It should be a felony.
What happened? What happened with this felony?
All right, so I didn't have the green card as yet. Everything was pending, and this felony, it was a third degree, which is pretty bad. And the prosecutor, I think, gave me a deal, which is like 60 months probation.
What was the felony for? What was the felony for?
It was related to violence.
All right. So now you did not take that deal.
No, I didn't.
Okay,
so your case is still pending?
It's a 5-year probation. He did not take it.
So the case is still open and pending.
Where is this?
Just be careful about.
Where is this?
Providing too many.
This is in Florida.
Okay, so what I would suggest you do is this cheese is falling off the cracker. Let's not talk about the cheese on the floor or the cracker or anything else on public radio because you do have a pending case.
We have a good criminal defense attorney.
Let's talk about it off the air. Hold on 1 second, okay?
All right. 1-800-529-5465. A good number, a powerful number. It represents good attorneys here at the law offices of Spar and Bernstein. 1-800-529-5465. Paul Hirsch to my right. Brad Bernstein, not saying he's alt left, but he's on my left. All right. And we're here to actually help everyone out there. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. Let's proceed, Brad.
Monica.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
How are you?
Facebook or YouTube?
Facebook.
Before I even said it, she said Facebook. All right. No problem.
Facebook all the way.
Okay, got it.
Got it.
I will be on YouTube tomorrow. I'm terribly sorry.
I know you don't care. I know you're gonna go on YouTube.
Right.
That's him.
Anyhow, my friend, I have a girlfriend that is here. She's on a visa. It's expired. Her time is up. But she had twins. Her twin children are here. There will be 19 in August. Can those children do anything for her?
The children are 19, can't do anything till the children are 21.
Okay.
Once they're 21 and they're citizens, they can file for the parents.
Okay.
All right.
One other question.
What is the other question?
I have I got a letter from USCIS. I sent in my green card because it has misspelled. It was incorrect. I got a letter from them to do my biometrics. Should I go and get the stamp in my book before I do the biometrics?
What stamp in your book?
The I-551.
You have an I-5, you got a green card already?
Yes, but it's incorrect. The spelling.
Okay. You can go down and get a stamp in your passport. You got to make an InfoPass appointment.
Yes, I did, but I was wondering if I could do it before the biometric.
Yeah, just make an InfoPass appointment, that's all.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're
And
welcome.
continue to do that great job.
Thank you
You're
very
helping
much.
a lot of
Thank you.
Thank you so
On
much.
on YouTube, I just want to get through questions on YouTube very
Yes, let's
quickly.
knock him out.
Abram Hines says hello from Mandeville, Jamaica.
Yep.
All right, and he's on vacation in Mount Vernon right now. But I just Marissa wants to know, when your employer is filing for you, what is the process like? What forms does he have to fill out? How long does the whole process take? Processing for a green card is a perm application. It's a labor certification. You have to prove you're not taking a job away from an American worker. You have the minimum requirements for the job. That they tried to hire an American worker, they couldn't, and that's why they want to hire you. Then once that's approved, you file an I-140 visa petition. You have to establish that you have experience in that job prior to you filing the labor application, and that your employer can afford to pay your salary. And then you're on a waiting list for a green card, which is not very long. It's only about 18 months right now.
Thank you for helping my friend's husband. Hooray. Great job, Mr. Bernstein.
Okay, and thank you. And Ramondo Palmer wants to know if a DNA test on YouTube. He wants to know if he's on YouTube and wants to know if a DNA test always required when an American citizen filing for spouse and stepchild. No, certainly they would only ask for a DNA test perhaps between the spouse and that biological child, maybe.
Okay.
Kawan Lewin is asking, I have a friend that works at the airport here in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and she's telling me that 5 Jamaicans were deported from the U.S. 2 days ago. Crazy stuff. Yep, that happened. By the way, 5 Jamaicans get deported every day.
Yes.
Okay, that's nothing new.
Maybe hourly.
Yes, I don't know about hourly.
Well, I guess that's a lot.
And
those are the guys in that green uniform walking with those people.
okay, and Lovely Mimi says, great guy show. If I recently received my 2-year green card, can I file for my parents even though I haven't been paying? No, you can't file for your green card parents until you become a citizen, and that has nothing, whether you're paying taxes or not.
Okay.
Carol says, Brad, I should never smoke. I don't smoke, Carol.
No, he doesn't. None of us smoke.
Okay.
None of us. We have never ever smoked in our lives. Right. Is it the same price for adult and children to do the medical for the I-130? They're all in Jamaica.
I would say that the children under 14 are probably cheaper, but I can't tell you that for a fact.
All right. The other thing also is this. I'm quick one.
Yeah.
Why is it when an American asks me, hey, so you don't smoke weed? And I said, no. It's like, you live in Jamaica? I'm like, yeah, and I don't smoke weed, and I've never smoked. What's up with that?
It's a stereotype.
It's a bad stereotype.
It's a bad stereotype.
Very bad.
Very bad.
And they're like, well, why not? I'm like,
because I don't.
Why? I've always asked that question. They say, why not? And I say, why?
Anyways, we got to go. We're at 12:59.
Thank you so much, Paul Hirsch.
Thanks.
Thank you so much, Brad.
Fun.
Thank you so much,
only and
Kyle.
not specific legal advice. Consult an attorney about your individual situation. Prior results do not guarantee a similar outcome in the future. To make an appointment with the Spar Bernstein Law Firm located at 225 Broadway in New York City, call 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-529-5465. Easily remembered, 1-800-LAWLINK. That's 1-800-LawLink. Once again, make a call to 1-800-529-5465. And of course, link up with the law offices of Spar Bernstein located at 225 Broadway on the 5th floor. If I were you out there, make the call, make the link, make the connection, make it Spar and Bernstein. 1-800-LawLink. That's 1-800-529-5465.
but I'm gonna